Today I'm gonna tell you the full specification of BlackBerry Z10. The body size. The dimension of BlackBerry Z10 is 130 by 16.6 mm and it is 9 mm thick. Go for a BlackBerry Z10. It is easy to operate in one hand because of the size. BlackBerry Z10 was solid look, so you can say that BlackBerry Z10 nails it when it comes to style. Display. As for the BlackBerry Z10, it comes with capacitive touch screen. The screen size is 4.2 inches. The resolution of this phone is 768 by 1280. Pixel density of BlackBerry 10 is 355 and the weight of this phone is 137.5 grams. When it comes to memory, BlackBerry Z10 has 16 GB internal memory and we also have a micro SD card and we can increase the memory up to 64 GB. Z10 has 2 GB RAM. As for the operating system, BlackBerry Z10 has BlackBerry 10 OS. Chipset, we have Qualcomm MSM 18960 Snapdragon. As for the CPU, we have dual core 1.5 GHz. GPU's concern, we have Adreno 225. In BlackBerry Z10, sensors, accelerator, gyro, proximity and compass. Messaging, BlackBerry support SMS, MMS, email, push email, IM, BB6. Browsers, it supports HTML5. GPS, yes, the BlackBerry Z10 has a GPS support. We have a Java in this phone and the version we have is MIDP 2.1. As for the colors perspective, BlackBerry Z10 is available in two colors, black and white. As for the batteries perspective, Ion 800 mAh battery which is removable. In BlackBerry Z10 we get an 8 megapixel camera. It has pixel of 3264 by 2448. In this camera we can autofocus. It has LED and flash, which is it support S and S integration. We have an HDMI port in it. It has BlackBerry Maps. We have an organizer, we have document viewer, we have photo viewer, we also have a voice memo dial, predictive text input in it, which makes texting a lot easier. So I think BlackBerry has come up with something new in his pocket. Quite a nice looking phone, but lack the technology. It's up to you. Make sure to comment on that and let me know what you think. I will see you in the next episode. Until then, bye.